For my unboxing. Do it, dude, do it. Ooh, look, I got umbrellas. Umbrella lighting for all my YouTube videos, so I won't look like I'm in a cave. Ooh, there's a carrying bag. I won't need that. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, is this instructions? Ooh. The Limo Studio 600 Continuous Umbrella Lighting Kit, LMS 103, and I'm going to put a link in my video or at the bottom for the Amazon where I got this at. It was such a good deal. Okay, we have parts here. Light bulb, looks like light bulb, light bulb. I don't know what these are. Okay, I'm going to get some more. I'm done here. This is my Limo Studio after it has been unboxed. Now I'm going to, with the help of my lovely assistant, put this together and hopefully I'll be able to shoot something with good lighting. Yay! Alright. Good lighting. This is what it looks like. Yay! So I got 2 umbrellas, 3 stands, 3 big light bulbs, a bulb carrying case, an umbrella carrying case, and a stand carrying thing. Wow. We're going to see how my videos look with this. Look how bright this is. How sharp and vibrant the colors are. Let's see. About it. That's just one. And then regularly, this is my cave.